how to log in into Cox Internet account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Cox Internet and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, cox.com, open it. Check in for this option, I'm not a robot. Now complete this verification process. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Cox. Cox Communication is committed to creating meaningful moments of human connection through technology. It provides advanced digital video, internet, telephone, and home security and automation services over its own nationwide IP network. Once you land to this page, now at the top right you will find this icon, click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials. Firstly, type in your user ID and then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log in into your Cox Internet account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.